about the whole bradia, then we need things like integrity. So one have to push for it. Two, the competition is very important. Now anything I make us last time I catch us say all of the 3 teams here cast on team league in our relegation teams bo. You also go which is very important. Inti nations back about Samatex. A tough game. Samatex in recent times every Ghana Premier League need be paying. I don't think it's very easy for anybody in and around nations or close to Samatex for guys who game wouldn't be rich. In the last few months, many of some investigation be about Ghana teams and how sometimes somebody sound common. Most of the times in free club officials. Yes. If the leaders of the various supporters groups now at ISH one.
Our supporters, no?
Yes. Most of the times in free club officials. I mean, Yenfa baby ko and senior Sunni at the end of the club sometimes and their personal stuff, a religion, and they say that absolutely. But any player we need come in recent times one to see a protocol. Supporters for only been years you it wasn't a club official, and that is what the club officials friends and supporters they tie. But club sometimes it is tough. I like the fact that you're competition, and so far as the competition keeps on being tight, a bad day for anybody to give a game away. Rich, Dana, Heart of Lions, Opesa Oji League. Oko Wenchi, Wafaka, Ebu Petregu, Kermako Wenchi. How are you going to convince the young apostle say, oh no, Oko relegation? Only 3 points in Mao. Now Oji League no relegation. Because of competition, they will play. They will play. There be a little bit of an issue. The referees in the middle of the park. But again, for me, referees in command. Until me or anything substantial to say a referee where you say no, and I'm in person conjecture say referee be you say.
It be an error.
Yeah, it be an error, and of course, only humans. It be me see. So once the integrity of the competition is there in terms of in competition, we are fine. Two, you see, BBN Gold Stars. However, Basake Holy Stars. Tough game. Who are you convincing? Kotoko kwa we akobo nso atreman. Akobo BBN Gold Stars. Uko BBN. Uko ka kire wan. Ube free player bi aka kire ni say on she on go anasa onye den. It becomes a job and feasible. I like the fact that the competition is giving us there. The clubs also have to uphold integrity. Then you make sure say referees know at the end of the day, at least give themselves the benefit of the doubt. Say some of us are the pessimistic conversation around referees. No, a drew on my we look at it and say, ready I am from so and union I think say yes, I know we should be fine. How are sporting integrity?
3 matches to go. Yenya den as ankomo yen kobansi abo league na wi ni esa abedi biem.
I think that normally easy. And I can do it even in 2 minutes. First of all, Rich, say this current FA administration, virtually Omagurag, the Referees Association.
Yeah.
And the NGO Ejidi said this is the best way to say Omobe administer referees, and they say referees everywhere in the world are a component of the FA. And it's what even so Spanish La Liga, though the Spanish league are autonomous, no. So referees take decision be na say VAR the FA no handle any posting decisions, because the referees are workers of the FA. Rich, that is what we are practicing now in Ghana. So sound there, Rich. Your name referee papa for the GFA for no. They know among the referees in the Premier League, we are very, very good. And the way I simple games now, especially games now contenders in the Babono. Rich, they should do well and appoint the best referees for those games.
I know.
What you say? More ranking referees now. You know the best referees among Omamudinina. You can rank them. It's the first thing you do, and he say, baby, you do it. Sanki kawabi amano binko kese. Yes, see me, I am unfair. And it's no. Appoint your best referees for the intriguing matches. Number 1, that's simple. Rich, number 2. Mijidi say, game bia e involving contenders bia no. 3 na aka no. They should put it on TV. They should put it on TV. And a Globe, Original, Metro, Adum.
Do the chamon.
Yes. And put those games on TV. You ever say the whole season now, who needs to invest in TV production now? Baby, you're doing it. For the purpose of sporting integrity, invest in Sikaka so that we put all the major games now on the television. Let everyone watch it. So be a shot. Na class in him say obi a share. Referee so obi a share. Rich. The eye of the public alone will serve as security for those games.
Okay.
To me, there's those 2 things, you know. And then we papa.
Very, very important.
The last thing I make and they say, Rich, you mutanya. The Premier League regulation, Article 13 now, ama ene obi a obo is atre maybe enya 3.3 goals no. Because na ya more order than intino. Though it has affected the sporting integrity, but ni ntimi nya ho he. Look, emayen fire bibi suban na enko ho enka so ye bowi a ye wie sie yenko. Look, let's amend ye man nya adehia. Say the next Congress we are going to amend Article 13 of the Ghana Premier League regulation. Yes, we should amend it. Yeah, amend this as a league. Not per any circumstances or between who free more. We will expunge the points of that team from the whole issue.
Cause there will be advantage.
Exactly. And to reach me, appoint the best referees.
Okay.
Get the games on television. And say yes, season here call Congress. Let's amend Article 13. Simple.
Okay, it's a Yendi the revamp of Bra show.